I done done this a lot. Yeah, shit, nigga, in the rain. Shit, nigga. You ever had to stand out, nigga, in the rain?
Walking through the rain, I'ma feel this pain. Walking through the rain, baby, all alone.
This ain't nothing grow, man. Yeah, shit without water. Shit,
I'ma feel this pain.
man, yeah, can you think about it? Water, man, not really bad at all. But I don't know if everything that's stop. Love, no, yes, shit. I don't wanna feel like yes, shit. But I'ma say like this, man, shit, whoever got to find to say so. Nigga, this shit open up the middle. I don't know what shit, how I'm still, but I look away, man, like, nigga, no, I know it's right. Right, nigga, they ain't that shit, nigga, we're broke. And I know it's something wrong, nigga, but I say, hey, like what you say, nigga, like say, I'm gonna tell you how it's told. And one thing, man, yes, shit, I know. And yeah, I'ma keep on, bro. Nah, shit, nigga, hey, don't stop there. Hey, shit, we no longer, yeah, shit, grow, we evolve. So, yeah, shit, I say, shit, the change of the evolution, shit, yeah, I'm changing the game forever, yeah, shit, not what I did. Hey, something that's nobody ever done before. Nigga, I just know shit I was told, man, I got something that nobody ever seen before. Yeah, shit, they think I was flavor, they think I was change it, they think I was make it better. Hey, I don't know, and I was told I was come down. Come down, nigga, they say I get the flavor. I say, what you mean by that? If they say you got something that they ain't never seen before. It's real, nigga, yeah. That's it. You gotta stand out in the rain. Nigga, you ever been left out, nigga? You ever had to walk out in that rain? Shit, nigga. I have. I didn't want it to. Hypothetically. But, you know, my father hurt me. And even though I was humble, I said no. Nah, I accepted it. I mean, I said, just like this. I stood up high, I spread my arms like a bird, and I lifted my head up high and leaned back, and just accepted it as I walked. And it stopped. My thoughts become my reality.